Hey guys, what's up? Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friend. So listen, hey, thanks for watching, everybody. We are gonna do a beef jerky review today on a company out of Ohio. It's called Hungry Trucker Beef Jerky. Okay, so guys, this is the package. Tim Kirschhofer is the owner of the company, and I hope I didn't butcher your name, Tim. But Tim was kind enough to send me some beef jerky for a review here, and that's just what we're gonna do today, guys. So I'm going to review today his sriracha. So this is a Scalehouse Sriracha. It's called. This is actually a product that I love. I love sriracha and I love beef jerky. So putting the two together, it could be nothing but success here. So hopefully this is some great beef jerky. I know Tim is a great guy, and he is in the beef jerky groups, and he helps everybody out. Tim is also USDA approved, and again, as I mentioned, HungryTruckerBeefJerky.com is out of Ohio. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. Without further ado, I can't wait to get into this stuff. This is called Scalehouse Sriracha. Okay, so it's actually pretty good. The ingredients here, if you can see them on the front of the package, there we go. This is pretty low in sodium. Only 220 milligrams of sodium per serving. Always low in carbohydrates, guys. So Scalehouse Sriracha, let's get into it, my friends. And let's check this stuff out, okay? So, nice package, nice thick bag is what I noticed. That's very important. A lot of people get thin bags. It's got a best buy date on the bottom here. Which is always great to have, and you have to have them, as a matter of fact. It's a 3-ounce bag, and it has this USDA approval number right on the front as well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to point my camera down here, and I'm going to spread some of this jerky out on the table, my friends, and let's check it out. All right, so this is what it looks like at first glance. I don't need that much, but there is seems to be a lot in the bag. Got his oxygen absorber package in there, guys. Hopefully you can see that. All right, so this is what we got. Just at first glance, it looks like a nice dry jerky. I know it's very tender because I can feel the tenderness of it. That's what the jerky looks like up front. Okay, now smell. It smells delicious, actually. So this is Scalehouse Sriracha, guys. I can't wait to get into this. Let me see. Let me move you up a little bit here so you can see my face. There we go. This is a great flavor. The texture of this is very soft. It's chewable. It like melts in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. You don't get the heat until just a little bit into the jerky, into the chewing. It has a nice beef flavor. Again, very tender jerky. Nice spice with the sriracha. There's not a ton of other flavors going on. Just a nice, flavorful touch of sriracha. Look how easy it is to tear this apart. Look how nice that is. Great flavor, Tim. This jerky is something that I would buy myself. It's fantastic. So this is definitely a 5-star rating on this, Tim. This is excellent stuff. Thanks for sending them at this rate. I can't wait to get into your other bags here. But big fan of the sriracha, guys. So do me a favor. Tim is a small jerky maker. Help him out. Go to HungryTruckerBeefJerky.com, guys, and pick up some of this stuff. I can recommend this. This is good. And that's no bull. No pun intended. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Tim, wish you the best. Thanks for sending out this Scalehouse Sriracha and some other flavors. Your jerky so far is terrific, my friend. And like I said, can't wait to get into the other bags, guys. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. Like the video, support small business, and support Tim out there in Ohio. And get to his website and place your order, okay? HungryTruckerBeefJerky.com. Thanks for watching, everyone.